Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Alfie. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So, in today's unboxing video, is gonna be from Sprayground, and it's gonna be the Mystery Bear. So, I bought this um, bear from I don't know a few months ago, guys. I just don't have time to unbox it. So, this is what we are going to unbox today. Alright guys, let's open this box. It's kind of like huge. Hindi nyo na makita. Saan ko lang to, guys. So ito nga pala is from Sprayground. You can still buy this, guys, online. And so I bought this long time ago, a few months ago. Again, I think it's after Thanksgiving, which is the Black Friday. But this is not on sale anyway. It's still a regular price, and this is not expensive. It's only $80, guys. And you can still. Are you guys ready? Oh my God! Look at this, guys. It is huge. Okay, so there you go. So these are the bears. So I don't know which one I am going to get. And they said there is a it says here the super rare bear diamond cut. So it looks like, but definitely, so hopefully I won't get this bears here, the one on the picture. I wish it's gonna be this one, guys. So wish me luck. So anyway, so when you order this one, it comes with this huge bag, and yeah, it says here Mystery Bear, Sprayground. Take a chance, let fate decide. It says there. So let me see. Or challenge yourself to collect us. No, this one, the Mystery Bear, you keep on buying until you spend all your money. Hold on, guys, let me just open it. Okay, so this one is not returnable, guys. So once the seal of the packaging is broken, you cannot return it if you don't like it. So okay, so I think you can open it from here. For those of you who doesn't know Sprayground, their company is located in New York. This one is kind of look like Supreme with a mix of Louis Vuitton, and yeah. So if you guys don't know, but you can also visit the website so you can read more about this brand. And yeah, so a lot of nice items from this brand, especially their the backpacks that they sell. And okay, guys, let's open it. I did not get the Mystery Bear, guys. Guess which one I got? The one that I don't like. Why? I get. Okay, let's reveal this one. Oh my God. Why? So this one, guys, is also a backpack. See, look, you can wear this as a backpack as well, and it's so cute. Look, it's kind of like Louis Vuitton, right? Zamier Louis Vuitton, and so it has this like a dollar sign in here, and then he is carrying a, oh, you can remove this one, a money or something. Let me, so there's like a velcro strap on his arm, and you can put it back. So there you go. I think this is money. Yeah, there. And then what else? And he's wearing a bracelet. I mean bracelet. A necklace, like a Figaro Cuban necklace, a gold one right there. I wish I the diamond limited edition bear, but this is not the limited edition. I don't know how it looked like. So yeah, and you can open. There's a zipper here on the top, and let me see what's okay. Nothing. Maybe I'm gonna put it back so it won't, you know, moist or something. And then you can also adjust this one, you know, the backpack thing here on the bag. And then this one, limited edition. And this one is all when you buy a Sprayground, um, you know, stuff or item, it always comes with this tag. And I don't know if you saw my previous video, the Sprayground one. It always comes with this tag. It says here trillion right there. Trillion. And then it says here limited edition right there. So I wish it was the diamond cut bear, but it's not, guys. I better try next time. But no, I'm not gonna buy anymore. And I just tried this out, guys. So I'm just curious what it looks like. I saw this in the store, like forgot the store, the D what is that, the forgot which bear. One more time, guys. So there is a pocket here on his head, and then you can adjust this one, the backpack handle here, and then it comes with this tag. It always comes with a tag when you buy a Sprayground item, guys. And then he have a Cuban necklace, gold necklace here, and he's holding a money. It says here $10,000. And then it also have a pocket here on both of his arm, left and right. So and it's not really useful, guys. It's just, I don't know why they put zippers on his arm, and you cannot put anything in here anyways. So but you can put stuff on his head, but I don't know. Again, this is just for like display, guys. And Valentine is coming, so this is gonna be a nice, you know, gift to your loved ones or maybe to your kids, guys. So again, this is like $80 if you want to buy it on sprayground.com. And this is a mystery bear, but if you don't want to buy the mystery bear pack, they always have you know, choices on the website where you can choose which one you like. You don't need to buy the mystery bear pack, guys. And yeah, so I'm just curious. The reason why I bought this is because I want to get this one, the mystery diamond cut bear. And you cannot it won't show on their website because you have to, you know, that's why it's a mystery bear. So anyways, that will be my unboxing video for today, guys. So hopefully you guys like this bear. Again, this is still available, guys. This is a nice gift for Valentine's Day. So I think 5 more days is gonna be Valentine's. So yeah, so a nice gift idea, guys. So anyways, this is Alfie. Well, thank you for watching my 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 video, and thank you for subscribing. And all right, guys. So I'm wearing it as a backpack. Let me see. Oops. So right there. So that's how it looks like if you're wearing it like a backpack. And yeah, it looks like you're carrying a bear on your back. There you go. I don't know, you cannot put anything on this bag anyway. It's just like that, like for, I don't know, display or something. It's like I look like a kindergarten, guys.